leadership at all levels. Leadership at all levels. Kahit yung patrolman natin na senior, may dumating ngayon na bago, 30. So, we need to influence. Leadership is about influencing others eh. So, kahit na patrolman yun, kahit na corporal yun, huwag nating nilalang. Yeah? They have the experience, they have knowledge. Hindi ibig sabihin na porkit patrolman ka lang, corporal ka lang. Hindi. They have their own experiences na dapat alam nila eh. So, huwag nating maliitin yung capability nila to be a leader ng mga bago. Ganon din sa atin. So, this week, gusto ko ibaba nyo rin yung kind of leadership nyo. Assess nyo rin yun. Are you influencing yung baba natin? Do you influence them? Are you influencing them? Kung hindi, bakit? Ngayon, paano nyo malaman kung nakaka-influence kayo? It's the attitude. Kung nagbago nyo yung responses, yung mga simpleng compliance lang. Di ba? Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, ang kwan natin is, let's us emphasize, wearing this uniform is a privilege. Hindi lahat nagkakaroon ng opportunity magkaroon ng ganito. Nung college pa lang kayo siguro, nung criminology kayo, kahit na yung magna cum laude nyo, baka hindi nakapasok ng pulis eh. So, what we have right now is a blessing in itself. Yun sana ipabarating natin sa mga tao natin, mga kasamahan natin. The mere fact na nagsusot tayo ng uniform na ito, it's a blessing.